Hi there, my name is Amanda Hill, and in this video I'm going to show you all about the Facebook you never knew you had. So when you get to posting things, you have your settings set to whoever's going to see them. As you can see, mine is showing public. However, it could show a whole heap of different things. I could gear my audience to exactly what I wanted to post. So how do I do that? Well, you already have some lists. Log in on a computer and just go and look to the left for friends. And then what you're going to do is scroll down to custom lists. And now you can add all sorts of people. So your close friends, your acquaintances, you're restricted. Now, who might that be in your case? And I think only family are already on here. So there's quite a few that you can add people to. And I'll show you how to do that in a second. But what if you also had some of your customers on here? If you create a list and you call it, now who are your customers? I would niche right down to what it is they purchase from you, because you might have different niches. So let's have a think of what I could create a list as. Well, it could be my Christmas card list. Because, like many, I don't do Christmas cards very often in the paper form these days. I do it via an electronic version. So let's now go and see who I can add to my Christmas card list. Now, there's many ways to actually access your friends. Here's just one of them. And let's go and take a peek this way too. So whichever way you choose, there's definitely different ways. So Bernie, sorry for singling you out, but shall we add you to the Christmas card list, or should we edit you? So here we go. I'm going to add you to the Christmas card list. There you go. So now, if I post something out on Facebook and I put in one of my Christmas cards, and then I go down to my lists. Let's see if we can find it. There we go. Only the people on that list are going to see it. Think how powerful this is if you're using it for business. The friends and family around you may or may not want to see you posting about different parts of your business or different things. And there are times when you do want the world and his wife to see it. However, for example, you had skincare people and all they ever purchase from you is skincare. They don't want to see everything in the world going on. In fact, should they really see everything in your world going on? You can reserve that for your friends and family. Now, if you posted it only to them, you're only speaking to them. How powerful would that be? I hope you can think of some lists that are going to work for you, so you can actually get your marketing spot on without being too spammy on Facebook.